Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we're taking a look at how to enable multi-factor authentication for Microsoft 365 users in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. There are a couple ways to do this, but the easiest way is from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your App Store on your smartphone, Android or iOS. You want to search for Microsoft Authenticator, and once you've found it, you just download it and install it onto your phone ready to enable the MFA. The next section requires you to go to the Microsoft 365 admin page. If you work for a business, you may not have access to this, so you'll need to get it from your IT department or get your IT support company to do this for you. Once you're in the Microsoft 365 admin page, you need to navigate to the users and then active users along the top right pane. Along the top here, you'll see a button called multi-factor authentication, so you click on that and it'll populate the list of users. So for this demonstration, we'll use the demo user Samdu we created earlier. So you see here it says the multi-factor authentication status is disabled. So we select Samdu and we click on enable and click on enable multi-factor authentication. Now the user Samdu is enabled for multi-factor authentication, but we need to validate this change, so you'll need to go to the Microsoft 365 login page or Office 365 login page. First, we'll need to sign in with another account, which is Samdu. I will sign in as the user Samdu with the username and password. I'm just going to copy and paste these in here. Let's just see what happens here once we enter the password now, because we've enabled it in the back end of Microsoft 365. It's asking us to enable multi-factor authentication, so it's saying your organization needs more information to keep your account secure. So let's click on Next. So now it's telling us to install Microsoft Authenticator as the type of MFA. There are a few other ways to set this up, such as Authentication Phone or Office Phone, but we're going to use mobile app for this demonstration as we've downloaded Microsoft Authentication earlier, so we want to receive notifications for verification, so we'll click on Next. The next thing you want to do is go to your phone and open the Microsoft Authentication app. And the first thing you want to do is to click on the three dots on the top right and click on Add Account. So we click on Add Account. We should select Work or School Account, and then you'll get a little prompt saying Scan QR Code. So we click on there, and all we simply do now is point your phone at the computer screen, and it'll scan the QR code. Just wait a couple of seconds, and then it'll list it in your Authenticator app, so you click on the email address. So back onto your screen, click on Next to proceed. So now we'll be able to test this out. So on your device, it's saying please respond to the notification, and it will tell your device to approve this sign on. So you click on approve and it should be successful. The notification has been approved, and so you click on next. The Microsoft Authenticator app has been successfully registered, so we click done. Since it's our first time signing on the user Samdu, we'll need to create a new password for the user. After that's complete, the user should be able to successfully log in, and the next time the user attempts to sign in, you'll need to approve using the Microsoft Authenticator app multi-factor authentication method again. So that's how you enable multi-factor authentication on your Microsoft 365 user.